Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bet365 withdrawal error. If you are trying to withdraw money and it's not working, don't worry. This is the common issue and most of the time it can be fixed easily. First, let's understand the problem. A withdrawal error on Bet365 can happen because of verification issue, payment method problem or app error. First, check your account verification. Open the 365 app. Once you are logged in, go to the account, then verification. Make sure your ID and personal details are fully verified. If your account is not verified, withdrawal will be blocked. Some payment methods has minimum or maximum withdrawal amount. If your amount is too small or too large, the withdrawal may fail. A weak Wi-Fi or mobile data can cause error. For that, go to the settings, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure your Wi-Fi is stable. If not, turn on airplane mode and off. Then try again. You can also go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Bet365 app and check for the update. Using an outdated app can cause withdrawal problem. If the error continues, log out and log back in or restart your iPhone. This fix temporary system issues. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.